up, guys? It's your boy Ty here, and we'll be playing some 1v1 pistol. Or pistol 1v1. I'm gonna just find it. Let's go. Where you at? What? Hi, knifer. Bet. I mean, okay. Oh my god, I'll start. Okay, popping up. Bro, how do you just knife me? How can you knife me? Dang, that wasn't even fair. Alright, bro. Okay, you got that. You got that. Okay. You got that. Okay, you saying you never played before, so. Oh, dang, he died already. Basically not even fair. Come on, show yourself. I like him okay. Okay. We know how this go. Okay. Already you know how this go. We about to play. So yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Wagner. What is this game? W Mario. I don't know what I'm acting like a bot right now. Come here, I want to knife you. Yeah. Come on. You running away? Where did he just go? Flick. Get freaking flicked. Show yourself. Show yourself. Goodness, so cracked, my guy. Father. Huh? Bet. Only thing I do is kill him. I'm a long trip. Tag me. Okay. Let's go. GG's. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Boom boom boom. That's kind of big. What the? Oh nah, hacker. Nah. Oh nah. He hacking or he just cracking? Huh? Dang, took the whole clip. Dang, I hate when I don't got my knife because I can't move fast. What the? He just shot through the wall. Alright. Mr. X. How's he not dead? I'm that one shot I did. So, this is the final round. So winner takes it all, basically. Dang it, GG's. Alright, gang. Alright, gang. Oh, man. What the? There we go. What's the boy? What the Yeah, so this part took a while, so yeah, I'ma just cut it. I'm trying to quit my skinny ball. That's cool. I didn't even know I had all this stuff. Huh? What a guy. Probably about to come out this morning. I don't even know yet. Where the freak is he? Oh, so. I literally just saw the door. Where he go? Where is he? He's not dead. How's he not dead? Oh, that's the hacker dude from earlier. No reason why. Okay. It's the hacker. So yeah, this part took a long time again, so. Just for the remainder of time, I'm gonna add some music.
I wake up to the sounds of the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my ear up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world that was smiling when I turned. Tell you you're the greatest, but once you turn they hate us. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Look out for yourself. But I'm ready. Your words up on the wall as you're praying for my phone, and the laughter in the halls and the names that I've been called. I stack it in my mind and I'm waiting for the time when I show you what it's like to be words spit in a mind. Tell you you're the greatest, but once you turn they hate us. Oh, the misery.
Dang, GG's. Alright, bye y'all.
That's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred, forget what I'm saying, and where the beat go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame, it upon my stomach. Throw it back up. off like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. OCD trying to push my buttons. I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it. I can be critical, never typical. Intricate with every syllable, I'm a criminal. Intimate but never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I'll make you feel like you're in it though. You call me what you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave you deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I make movies and music videos.
Videos.
Sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when you're